Now, can you please tell me about yourself?
Yes, sir. So, good morning. My name is Vedant Shrikant Kulkarni. I come from a small city of Bid in Marathwada region in Maharashtra. Talking about my education background, I have completed my MBA in marketing from Indira School of Business Studies, Pune, and currently I'm working in HDFC Argo General Insurance as a deputy manager in Bank Assurance Channel, where I collaborate with HDFC Bank channels, especially working capital channels, to ensure cross sale of insurance. And talking about my personal hobbies, I am an avid reader who really enjoys fantasy fictions and thriller novels. With also an, I also yes sir.
No, continue, continue.
I also an immense passion for trekking in the Sahyadris. Yeah.
Good. Now, which year did you complete your post graduation?
Sir, I have completed my post graduation in this year.
Acha, good. Now, when did you join this HDFC? What is it you said? Which agro finance? What is that?
Sorry, sir.
HDFC Agro Insurance. What is the name of the company?
HDFC Argo General Insurance Company. So I have joined HDFC Argo in February
Ar-
2024, and
Argo
I
General.
got
Argo General
yeah,
Insurance.
yes,
Yeah.
I got placed in HDFC Argo through my college placements in MBA.
What is the salary? What is the salary like for in this one payment?
So, sir, for me, I am earning above the industry standard where I earn up to 5.5 LPA.
Very good. That is okay. Fine. Good. Now, what is the achievement made by you in this company? Have you been able to reach the targets?
Yes, sir. I am consistently hitting my given my assigned targets. So for the first 3 months, it was struggle uh, when I was new to the company, when I was new to the sector. It was a struggle, but I have managed to get acclaimed with the work culture, with how process is done, and I'm currently achieving my targets. I would say from around 110 to 120% month on month. And talking about my achievements, so this happened 4 months ago, where I helped uh, to close a case uh, where premium was worth rupees 11 lakh from and we sourced it from MP. So me sitting in Nashik, Maharashtra, I worked with my new colleague. He was there in the client's office, and I was his back support, and we together closed a case worth premium of rupees 11 lakhs.
Very good. That's
And
really nice.
also talking about my current cases, so I yesterday only I closed a case of motor vehicle insurance worth rupees 62,000, and I'm currently working on following up in case where expected premium is 3.3 lakhs. That is around 60% of my monthly target.
Excellent. Now, um, uh, are you is your insurance fully computerized so that the renewal notices are sent properly and you are informed about the policies which are maturing? Do you have a
Yes,
proper software for this? What is the software you are using?
yes, yes, sir. Yes. Sir. So I'm very glad to say this. HDFC Argo is digitally one of digital pioneers in insurance industry. So in previous 3 months ago, we have launched an software or a website called HEIQ, which is given to salesperson, where we can generate the quote, send payment link, and issue the policy in a single day, or not even a single day. It can take only 15 minutes to 1 hour. So that's very excellent initiative by HDFC Argo. Talking about renewals, we use lead management system or quotation management system, LMS and QMS platforms, where clients are sent automatic emails that your renewal is due for this and this, and they can also for motor and motor and health policies, client can go to HDFC Argo Here app where they can log in using their Aadhaar or their registered phone number, and they can get all their policy data renewals done there with, and even they can get even discounts there. Talking about my vertical where I deal with working capital related insurance. So for those, generally policies are debited and issued through bank channel only. So for example, I'm working with HDFC Bank. So the premium will be debited from HDFC Bank account. So we notify the customers through HDFC Bank channel, and renewals also get automatically debited unless and until a client says that he does not want to renew.
Why a bank is insuring the properties?
So the thing is, when a bank is giving loan to someone, for bank it is for bank it is very crucial to have a security against their loan as well. For example, if a bank is giving a working capital loan to someone of rupees 40 lakhs, and they are taking some certain ABC property as a collateral against it, and if tomorrow unfortunately some incidents happen to the property and it loses its value, uh, it gets really I mean there is a real chance that the customer can turn an NPA very soon. So for that and in that case, if the property is insured, the onus is on the HDFC Argo General Insurance to give the assurance of that property or assurance of that collateral to the bank. So sir, the channel is also named bank assurance, I think, which is very aptly named.
Sufficient. आप थोड़ा ज़्यादा बात बोलते हैं, थोड़ा कम बात बोलना है. Whatever I want to
Okay sir.
tell, थोड़ा briefly
हाँ sir.
बताना है.
Okay
Now,
sir. Okay sir.
who is the chairman of IRDAI?
Sorry, sir, I'm unable to recall right now.
Mr. Debasish Panda.
Yes, yes.
No problem. You cough fully. You take water if you want. Mr.
No, sir, it's
Debasish
fine. It's
Panda. Mr.
yes, sir.
Debasish Panda. Yeah, who is the governor of RBI?
Mr. Shaktikan Das.
Who is the MD and CEO of Federal Bank?
Mr. KSV Manian, who has replaced Mr. Sham Sundaran.
Shyam?
Sundaran.
No, Shyam
So,
Srinivasan.
Sham Srinivasan. Srinivasan, I'm so sorry. I will just
Shyam,
write this everything down.
yeah, Shyam Srinivasan. Good, very good. Now, can you tell me um, how can you be of great assistance to bank in achieving its target?
Okay, so first of all, sir, I have now around 9 months of experience working in BFSI sector. So I have, first thing, I'm habitual to working under pressure, of working towards target. So I have learned how to manage a pipeline, how to create a pipeline in my working in HDFC Argo. Second thing is why I think I can add more value rather than a fresher because of my experience in insurance industry, as well as what I think is that while I'm so sorry. So what I think is
Water,
that
thoda water pigeon. Take some
uh,
water. No problem.
no sir,
I'll wait.
I will have to.
I'll wait. I'll wait. You have
Okay
to
sir.
go down and come. Please go and come. No
Yeah, yeah.
problem.
Yes.
कोई चिंता नहीं. कोई चिंता नहीं.
Yes.
I, I, re-
So
I suggest you please take some medicine today itself so that
yes
cough
sir, yes sir.
medicine, cough syrup
Yes
could
sir, yes sir.
swallow. Yeah.
Yes. So
Um,
this,
now, I
yeah,
was asking
I
how
was.
you can help us achieve targets. Yeah.
So the second thing I have learned in insurance that it's a very customer facing job. So what I have learned is that I can deal better with customer now. I can understand their needs and suggest the product accordingly. So I think that will also help me greatly in achieving my targets in Federal Bank.
Now they are asking a question like this.
Mhm.
You are working in Federal Bank. There is a branch of State Bank of India opposite to you.
Okay.
How will you convince customers of State Bank of India to come to our bank?
So, sir, first of all, State Bank of India is infamous for their slow servicing. So we can offer customers a great servicing uh, at very prompt attention. And again, what we can do is that we can launch a localized marketing campaign, or uh, we can even have our people standing around the SBI branch, and we can try to poach the customers from there as well. Another thing is that we can rely heavily on word of mouth. So if word of mouth gets out that uh, the branch opposite the SBI of a Federal Bank, the branch opposite towards to the SBI, which is of Federal Bank, they are offering great service. It can help us greatly as well.
Good. Now, can you tell us their digital products?
Sorry, sir.
Digital products. Digital products.
Okay, digital products of Federal Bank. Yeah, so
Yes.
I really like this. So where Federal Bank launched this Federal Bank Smile Pay for their merchants. So which is an excellent use of AI and facial recognition technology. Another thing is their Fed Fed digital online loan, where they are using be your own master. So using that technology, they are working on online disbursement of personal as well as working capital loans as well, which is an excellent thing. Another thing is that the Federal Bank has launched their a kitchen fab, where you can pay using the keychain, which is an excellent service, because what Federal is trying to say that do not need to have your smartphone or your passbook to do banking. You can smile and you can also bank with us. So that these are some excellent initiatives.
But what do you know about FedE?
Fedi is a AI assistant uh, chatbot created by Federal Bank. So whenever you visit the Federal Bank website, Fedi will always be there. There is a small pop-up in the right bottom corner where Fedi pops up, and he is a chatbot service that so rather than going through website one by one manually, you can chat with Fedi and get to the service you really want to use or want to know about.
How, how many languages are there in that?
Uh,
13.
Sorry, sir. I'm
13, 13 Indian, 13 Indian, 13 Indian languages have been added. Please check up about that. Okay,
okay, sir.
good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, you are a very fit person for being selected, but barring this cough, if that affects you, you may not be able to talk well and create a good
Yes.
impression. So please take care of that. Otherwise, you are doing very well. Now let me check your knowledge regarding Federal Bank. What is the total business of Federal Bank as on 30th September?
Mm, so,
4.99 lakh crore. 4.99 lakh
yes,
crore.
yes.
I I have given you a paper known as A 2023 interview questions. आपका पास
Yes,
आए
sir.
ना?
Yes. I
उसका
yes, sir. Yes.
या पेज नंबर 3 और 4 में ये सब डिटेल्स आता है. ये सबको मेमोराइज करना है. What is the
Okay,
net
sir.
profit of the bank?
So the net profit of bank is around 1056 crore or something in the quarter 2 of the financial year, and it has been highest ever.
समथिंग नहीं बोलना है. समथिंग बोलने से आपको
Okay.
कुछ भी नहीं देगा. You have to talk definite answers.
Okay, sir.
Then what is the um, ROA and ROE?
So, sir,
for federal.
ROA ROA is ROA is 1.27%, while ROE is 13.65%.
Good. You told correctly. Now, please tell me what is a balance sheet.
So balance sheet is a financial statement where one can understand about their assets, their liabilities, as well as the just their assets, liabilities, and their financial standing.
Good. What is the yesterday's Supreme Court judgment regarding, say, people holding light vehicle, light vehicle license? What is the judgment given yesterday?
So,
Uh,
sir,
You are
I'm
not studied that.
unaware about.
You are not.
No, sir.
You are, 1 minute. Let me read that.
Okay, sir.
Supreme Court LMB license holders can drive tran- transport vehicles. The Supreme Court ruled that a light motor vehicle license holder can drive transport vehicles up to 7,500 kg without extra endorsement. This
Okay, sir.
clarifies long-standing license confusion and stops insurers from denying claims on technical grounds. The ruling by a five-judge bench led by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud calls for updated legislation amid advancing vehicle tech. So now, who is going to be the next Chief Justice of India?
Sorry,
Hello,
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible, but I am unable to answer your question.
name is Justice Sanjeev Khanna.
Okay, sir.
Justice Sanjeev Khanna,
Yes.
who is the Finance Minister of Maharashtra.
Mr. Devendra Fadnavis. Sorry, Mr.
Yeah,
Ajit Pawar. Mr. Ajit Pawar.
yeah. Please tell me what is the new scheme introduced by Maharashtra government for women's welfare?
So Maharashtra government has introduced Ladki Bahin Yojana, which translates to an my dear sister, where where women who are underprivileged, who are not earning that much, are given a monthly allowance of rupees 1500, and there are talks amidst the election that the compensation might go to 2100 rupees from 1500 per month.
No, but you say that it is only for poor people. Somebody told me it is eligible for all ladies. ऐसा नहीं है?
No, sir. The tax-paying ladies cannot fill the form, as per as my knowledge. But
Yeah,
those
yeah,
who are,
yeah. Tax paying is a condition. Very good.
yeah, yes.
That is correct. Now, please tell me about your native place. What are the crops grown in your native place? Who are the important people in your native place?
Sir, I come from a small city called Bid in Marathwada region. So the crops, sir, we are in a we live in a drought-prone area. So the drought-prone crops such as soybean and sugarcane are sugarcane, not exactly sugarcane, but jowar, wheat. These are the major crops, and those who have good access to water through the uh, bandharas and dharans, they rely heavily on crops such as sugarcane. And also, sir, my district is infamously known as sugar cane workers district because many of workers need to migrate to Satara, Pune, Kolhapur, that region to cut out or ripe the sugar cane. Talking about people, so Shirsagar family is politically very powerful entity in my area, as well as Mr. Gopinath Munde and Mr. Pramod Mahajan, who were BJP national leaders. They both hail from my district, Bid. And talking about other industries, Mr. Makrand Anaspure, who is a very prominent Marathi actor. He is from Bid only, and he is the alumni of the school from which I have completed my 10th.
But best wishes. You are done well, but you have to revise about banking and also about the Federal Bank news and all that. Now, what do you know about USA news, America
So,
news?
so, sir, Mr. Donald Trump has secured uh, win in the election with 277 seats, and he will be the 47th president of the United States of America.
Good. Best wishes. You did well. I wish you best of luck. Attend the interview and send the questions they are asking. Go through newspaper of yesterday, today, and tomorrow.
Yes, sir. So, can you give me like some last minute tips or where I can do better?
No, no. As it is, you are doing very well. No, no problem. But the only thing is, suggestion given by me is that you are talking too much than what is required. You do not
Yes.
know how to talk briefly.
Okay, sir.
किसी के पास में बात करने से हम लोग कम बात बोल के ज्यादा काम लेना है. आपको इतना समय है और इट इज योर ड्यूटी टू टॉक, इसलिए आप चिल्ला चिल्ली बात करके 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 जाते हैं.
अच्छा sir.
थोड़ा कम
Yeah,
कर
I
दो.
will try to work. Yes, sir. Yes.
बेस्ट विशेस. You will be selected. Don't worry.
Yes. Thank you so much. Have
Thank
a
you.
great day ahead.
Please,
Bye.
yeah, please attend the interview. Send the questions they are asking you, and
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
you
I will
can
definitely.
you can see in the year 2023 lot of questions I have posted yesterday, day before yesterday also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please see. Thank you. Best
Yes.
wishes.
Thank
You
you,
will
sir.
do well. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Bye.
Yes. Thank. Bye, bye.